Welcome back. My friend David's back with his van. We're going to take care of those squeaky belts that he had last time with when we changed out the injectors. And he commented that this thing idles much more smoothly with those new injectors. So we got new belts. We have a new bracket that's going to replace the factory bracket. GoWesty makes a reinforced, like cast iron alternator bracket, so you do not break off the case of your engine. So we have that to put on and all new belts. So let's get started on that. And of course, he will be supervising again. Look at me. Come on. There you go. We have all our new belts. And this is the cast iron bracket GoWesty makes. It's going to tie in the two bolts on the top, which are not bolted into it right now at this point, and the two studs that went on originally down here. All right, we got to get the battery disconnected and start loosening up the alternator. We'll have to pull it off completely, I believe. Maybe we'll be able to sneak it up out of the way without disconnecting the wires, but I'm not sure. Let's get going on all this now. We got our power steering pump loosened up. It's 13 millimeter and 17 on the bottom. The only thing strange about it is to get the belt off, to take it out, we have to disconnect the coolant line over here in order to fish it out. AC, got a 13 millimeter, and you have a little tensioner bolt here. If you back off on it too far, like we did, it'll come off of that, but you're able to push this down some more. And it looks like there is a 13 or another bolt that's supposed to be back there that's MIA, so we might put that in later. It's another 13 millimeter on that. And the alternator. All right, loosening up the alternator. We've got a 13 millimeter bolt here. We got the wires unhooked. It's 13 millimeter and two little 8 millimeters, one for that one, and there's on this other wire here going over there. 13 millimeter on the bottom, and there's a carriage bolt that's sticking out that way that we have to push out to the rear. You can see it from this side too, so I'm gonna pull that out. All right, now this should come off with a little jiggling. There we go. Here is the bracket we'll be changing. Two bolts are on studs over here, 1, 2, and the new bracket's going to tie in onto this. So let's get the old bracket off here. There are two 13 millimeter nuts on the bottom of this. They were already removed. Kind of pull that bracket out of the way, and you kind of pull this up and out to get it out of the way. There you go. This has no reinforcement along the top, so they've seen the cases on these engines snap off over here. Now you're screwed. So the new bracket's going to pick up the bolts here and here, and the new bracket also has the bolt running in this way, so you don't have to push it out through the back, which is kind of a pain. So these 13 millimeter bolts to come out. I think they gave us longer bolts for these, because I don't think these are going to be long enough. You put some never sees on the bolt, and we ran it in and out because it was a little stiff. So now you'll be able to access the bolt from the front to remove the alternator without worrying about that carriage bolt. Let's get this out of the way. We need that bracket to be on the outside. We're going to get this, loosen this up some more. This bracelet holds on dipstick tube too, so gotta kind of finagle it out of the way. And there we go. There are spacers included if you don't have power steering. And these bolts, let's see if they're longer. Yeah, these are the bolts they give us. And washers. We're going to put some stuff on these so they don't rust up. Let's just kind of fit them there right now for a minute. Put the nuts back on. Don't drop it. I put the original 13 millimeter nuts on there, and then you can't get a socket on them because the bracket's so much beefier. So maybe I should have read the directions. They gave you 12 millimeter size nuts now to give a little more space. I'm going to put them in place, and some washers too. We got to put them down there. Okay, everything is bolted up tight. We can get our alternator, drop it in, and the bolt will go in from the front now. Tighten it up. We got the alternator sitting where it's supposed to be. We could start to run our bolt in. That's a long bolt. We have all our wires hooked back up. We got the bolts in place, everything is loose, and now we're going to feed our new belt on. To get a pry bar and tighten this up. All right, we're prying up on the alternator on the little casting that's down over there. How tight are we? Go a little bit more if you can. It's going to loosen up a little bit when the belt stretches out. Okay. I'll tighten up the bolt on the bottom next. All right, we got our AC belt back on. We had that thing backed out all the way because the belt seems a little bit smaller than the other one, so I think we have enough to catch it there now. Pull up on it a little bit. Tension up that 13 millimeter bolt. Mas por favor. I think that is good. Gotta tighten up that bolt and dig up one to put back in there that's missing. All right, just our power steering belt left to do, but we have to unhook this coolant hose in order to get it out. Oh. All of our belts are nice and tight and snug. Hook up the battery and crank this thing up. I got a zip tie that I need to put back over here from.
All right, ready to stand back?
Hold on, let me. Oh yeah, well let's let me grab some.
Both pivots on the alternator, the two pivot bolts.
Yes, we got that. We got that. Check, check, and check. Check, check. Get some stuff out of the way here so we don't hear a rattling of wrenches. All right, start it up. Hopefully we don't have squealing like we had the last time. Ah, very nice. Can I interest you in a custom painted mural on the side of your bus? Look good. David's been driving this thing since 1990. The odometer is showing 202, but he says it's not correct because it was broken at one point. So it's got at least 250,000 miles on it. GoWesty should sponsor him because he's replaced almost everything he can get from GoWesty on this bus. So thank you, GoWesty people. If you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the thanks button. That would help me too. And thank you for watching. A new set of tires changes everything.